There's no time to come undone. That's easier said than done.
Right there. That one.
Just pick your poison and run. I'm struggling to find out where I stand. I keep wrestling with God and with man, trying to forge a little life in between. A man can only but dream. The time's come to lay it on the line, when meaning seems so hard to find. It always heavy on the mind. It's easier to leave it behind. There's no time to hide from the sun. There's no time to come undone. That's easier said than done. Just pick your poison and
Let's go. Look.
Wisco Camp.
Right here. Look. Yeah.
Good girl.
Indy. Look, Indy.
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 Taking it in, Doc. I'm gonna follow you all the way in.
I would love to like watch that too, all the new people.
You're going super close up action shot.
Oh god, he's fighting it. He's fighting it so hard.
Don't blink. Oh my god, I just got a whiff of it. Nice. Johnson, I think you passed the test. There's nothing to clear your throat either.
He's like, I can't talk yet.
No, it's really not that bad.
All right, Matt, your turn.
Kind of wish I had the beer.
I know.
He's going for seconds.
Oh, he's a bad man.
We should all do the same thing.
That's too
Get in on this action.
We're all just gonna make eye contact with each other as soon as it's done. No one cry.
All right, cheers, everybody. Cheers.
Ian, that is a bold scoop.
Is it good?
Oh no, I made a mistake.
You're the tiniest little one. You guys got a mega dose.
I should have done a bigger deep breath in the beginning. I didn't get the full effect. I cheered up a little.
I'm going in again. I want more.
Yeah, after Jenny. I'm already doing that
It
though.
cools off your pants.
That's a good amount, right?
That's a lot. That's a healthy. That is a mega dose.
Yeah, you might go.
How you doing, Jenny?
Big on that one.
She's fluttering.
Oh my god.
You want to watch him down with more horse radish?
Loons are like definitely a top 10 bird.